All right, y'all, I got 1 box of chocolate cake mix. Just gonna add that into my bowl. And then here I got half a stick of butter. Just gonna go ahead and pour that right in. This smells so good. Yeah, I'm using the chocolate cake mix right here, but you could use whatever you have on hand. Then we got half a cup of wholemeal. Go ahead and pour that in there. Then I got my good little metal spoon here. Just going to mix this up.
It's a metal spoon.
No, I mean wooden spoon. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, just give that a good loving mix. Ooh, that smells so good.
Feels like it.
I just love chocolate cake mix. All right, then I got some marshmallows. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of those in. Yeah, these are for later. Those are good. But we're gonna add the marshmallows in here. I don't know how much. That's about 1/4 cup. You know, let's add some more marshmallows. We can always use more because once you eat 1 marshmallow, you eat like 100 of them afterwards. Yeah, that looks good. Just gonna give that a good mix, just like that. That's looking so good. All right, and then I have my little pan right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and grease this pan so it does not stick, just like that. Take half of our batter, gonna pour it right on in there, just like that. Okay, it does not need to be pretty. This is just some easy dessert. Okay, you do this in 5 minutes. Okay, go ahead and spread this around, just like this. Okay, kind of need a little more batter in there. Yeah, just like that. Just get spread around. I could even go in my hands with this, but since we're filming it, we're not doing that. Let's get, we're gonna add all of it actually, because we can always change up the recipe as we're doing it. I had something else in mind, but things happen, so we're just gonna go ahead and add the whole thing, just like that. Ooh, yeah, this smells so good. Kind of smells like brownie batter here. All right, we're gonna add that right there. Then here we got the extra marshmallows. These are little peppermint chocolate candies I got at the grocery store. They're called, what are these called? Mint fudge peppermint bites or something. I don't know, they're good. So we're gonna pour those right on top, just like that, whole thing, okay? Spread those around a little bit. Let me get something else, hold on. Got a little spatula here. Just kind of press them in there. Ooh, making a mess. Y'all, I don't know how to cook and be clean. That never happens. All right, yep, that's just what you want to do right there. I'm gonna get some more marshmallows because you can never have enough, okay? Add some more in there. Ooh, yeah, this is looking good. Use some more candy too. You could use whatever you have on hand. You could use, I don't know, chocolate chips, M&Ms, Reese's Pieces. You could even put Skittles in here. I'm kidding, maybe not do that. You know why? Because I don't think gummies go with chocolate. Anyway, if you want to do that, go ahead. It's fun. I don't care. Just make something that tastes good. This right here, y'all. I'm so excited to try this. Go ahead and put this in the fridge. Go ahead and let this sit till it's firm, probably about 30 minutes.
All right, y'all. So this has been chilling for a while now. All right, let's go ahead and taste this. Woo! Remember, we got those minty. Oh my gosh, I can't even think. It looks so good. And marshmallows. All right, y'all, the fudge is finished. Look at that. Look at the marshmallows. Let's go ahead and taste this. Oh, man. This is my favorite, y'all.